Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the AUTEL Diag MD808 PRO kit. We're in an Audi at the moment and we have an airbag light showing on the dashboard. The tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put a link to the Amazon listing for this kit, and I'll also put a link to the latest blog post for this particular kit, which has all of the latest information on there. So the tool is plugged into the diagnostic port. We're going to diagnose and reset this airbag light. To do that, we're just going to click onto Scan. We're going to select European. Then we're going to select our, it's number 1 on the list there, Audi. This is a great tool, by the way. I'd seriously recommend this tool. Control unit. You can either select your vehicle or the control unit or the system. We'll click into common here. It should give us all of the main systems. So there is the airbag system. So we'll try and connect with that, and then hopefully get into the system and start reading some fault codes. So go to read codes, and it's giving us a fault code of B100B1B, driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. So basically we've looked at the connections for the driver's seat and we found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. So we've since put that back together, but obviously you see the airbag light is still showing on the dashboard. Now to reset that, you just need to basically tell the ECU that you've actually done a reset, or you've put everything back together, and you're asking it to then do a quick scan of the system to make sure there are no faults. And the simple way to do that is just by clicking erase codes. They've made it very simple for you to follow. So ignition on and engine off, well, that's not what we're doing. We're keeping the engine on, doesn't really matter in this case. DTCs, that's diagnostic trouble codes, and freeze data will be lost. Do you wish to continue? We're going to click yes, but when I click yes, just keep an eye on that airbag light right there. There we go. Airbag light's gone. Erase codes command sent. And it's all thanks to the AUTEL MD808 PRO kit. It's a great kit. Really is. Covers a lot of different vehicles, manufacturers and systems. But as I say, it's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put the Amazon listing, and I'll also put the latest blog post to this kit, where you can get a lot more information on the package itself. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.